Are you tired of feeling like you're always struggling to make ends meet? Do you want to ditch the life of living paycheck to paycheck? Well then, this video's right for you. Today, we're going to talk about 5 books that'll make you rich. By the end of this video, I'm confident that these 5 books will transform your mindset and help you achieve your financial goals. First up, we have Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. I'm sure you've heard of this classic book, but did you know that it offers a fresh perspective on money and challenges traditional beliefs about wealth? It's a must-read for anyone who wants to learn the difference between the rich and poor's mindsets and how it affects our wealth. Next on the list is Money, Master the Game by Tony Robbins. This book covers everything from investing to how money can work for you. It includes interviews with some of the world's top investors who share their secrets and even a 7-step blueprint to financial freedom. Thirdly, we have 0 to 1 by Peter Thiel. If you're interested in entrepreneurship and building a successful business from scratch, this book is for you. The writer shares his experiences co-founding PayPal and other companies and offers advices on capitalizing on untapped opportunities. Now, let's talk about How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. This book was published in 1936, the oldest on this list, but the lessons it teaches about effective communication and building strong relationships are essential for success in both business and personal life. Last but not least, we have Find Your Why by Simon Sinek. This book is all about discovering your purpose in life and using that purpose to drive yourself. It argues that people who are driven by a clear sense of purpose are more fulfilled, motivated, and successful than those who aren't. So, there you have it. These 5 books will help you become rich in all aspects of life. Start reading and build your path to wealth today. But before you go, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you in the next one. Peace.